How to leave a review on Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can leave a review on Airbnb, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to leave a review on Airbnb, maybe you are a guest who stayed at a particular place and then now you came back, you normally have the Airbnb app and you can go to the reviews tab. Or what you can do is, if you'd like to view all of the reviews, you can just go to airbnb.com/users/review. So I'll also make sure to drop a link below, which is airbnb.com/users/reviews, and then you're going to be able to directly come to this page where you'll be able to see all of the reviews that you've ever made or will be able to make on Airbnb. If you stay at a specific property and you come back, make sure that you're logged into your account. You'll be able to find a review that you can make. This way you'll be able to leave a review on Airbnb. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.